Okay guys, we just got here at this pond I fished back in a few videos. It's right up by my house, and tonight I strictly plan on using topwater, but I'm just gonna start off with this little square bill, see how that works for a little bit. Then I'm gonna switch over to either frog or a spook. At least I plan on it, you know. I usually always plan on using topwater and never do, but I don't know guys. We're gonna see. Well, we're gonna get fishing, so stay tuned. Oh, first fish right here, guys. Oh yeah, spook fish. Come here. Oh yeah, it's a nice bass. Been here like 5 minutes. I think that was my third cast. One thing about these spooks though, guys, they got 2 treble hooks. Oh, he came off. It's a miracle. Sit. Look at that, guys. Not a bad first fish on the old Head and Zara spook. I'm gonna go ahead and release him though. Whoa, a fish just blew up over there in the weeds. I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna go ahead and release this fella. See, dude. Let's catch some more, guys. Oh my God. Did you guys just see that fish? It didn't blow up, it just kind of came up above the water a little bit. That was kind of weird. First time I've ever seen a fish just kind of come up there a little slow. I don't know. Oh! There's another miss. I think that was a smaller fish though. That's one thing with the spook. Usually when a smaller fish goes for it, guys, you really can't get that. That's pretty much with any topwater bait, like spook, frogs. But I guess it's kind of good because I'm going for the big fish. Oh! Did you see that, guys? That was insane. There we go. Whew. That was insane when that thing blew up on that. That was crazy. Little toothy fella here, guys. This is gonna be interesting getting this fella off. Okay guys, there we go. Number 2. First pickerel, just a little guy. I'm gonna go ahead and release him. Man, they make your hands smell good. All right, folks. Well, since the fishing's a little slow, I'm gonna hide this beauty in these weeds. There we go. Oh, everybody can see that. And we're gonna go for a little bike ride. So if you guys wanna watch that, then just stay tuned. But if you wanna not see us go for a bike ride, then skip to the time down in the right corner, and yeah. Well, let's get biking, folks. See, folks. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but we're gonna head up there. There's a trail that goes through here. There's a pipeline up here. Gas pad, and they're burning the bad gas off right now, and I'm trying to get that in a video because that's pretty sick. Here's the trail, folks. A little risky business. We're going up there? Yep. It's pretty short though, so. All right, you guys probably don't want to see me struggling up going up a hill, so I'll get back to you. Take some skill right there. Ooh, going too slow. That's not what you want to do. Take a left, yeah. Look at that crap, guys. That is pretty insane. It's a lot closer than it looks on the GoPro because I'm recording in wide view, but they'll be doing that all night. I bet it's toasty warm up there. All right, folks, we're off. One last look at that. We're going a different way back. It's mainly downhill, so I should have a little more footage if you can hear me. So, I didn't realize that pond was that deep. That's pretty interesting. Dang it, they left me. Oh, that's a big bump. Cruising now, folks. Change plans, folks. Take a little detour here because there's a food plot there and a trail cam over there. And, I mean, these people really don't care that we're up here, but I don't want to be on their show camera. So, we're heading this way. Well, this isn't a trail. Come on, baby. At least this thing's light. That's a plus. No, dude, you're good. It goes uphill, actually. The other way. Oh, that's slippery. That is slick. At least, good thing is I don't have front brakes, so. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Damn, get her done. Oh, did not see that jump there. Normally, I would have went down that, but the teeniest rocks hitting with these things, there ain't no suspension on them. You're going over. Man, it's nice and moist through here, folks. Woo! Hey, at least it's free chain lube. It all goes good until there's uphill. And we're up. It is down! His kickstand's down. I just ate a bug. This is risky. Oh, that was close. Get her in high gear here, so we don't have to pedal up the old hill real. And we gotta go. Oh, they're still kicking your butt.
Yeah, every time we reel.
Dude, karate chop, punch him. Usually works. Eh, this looks safe, guys, don't it? I mean, it's only been here like 15 years, so. There we go. And we made it. Whew. Oh, oh my God. Hooked up, guys. Oh yeah, it's been a while. This is decent fish too. Oh yeah. About time. There we go. What is it? What are you? A decent picky. Let's get up. Oh, oh, that's a big one. Wow, that's a big pickerel. Dang. Check it out, guys. Decent fish. Ah, fuck. Dude, she is dripping. Yes. Like 10 minutes later, we got him, guys, and he's still alive. That's what you get for not bringing pliers. Dude, that's a chunker. Fucking thing. Alright, guys. Now it's getting a little dark, but just caught this decent sized one. Gave me a low injury there. Yeah, close up with that. But I'm not hanging out with this guy any longer. See, dude. Pretty fucking bad, actually. Yeah. I can barely. Yeah, I know. Can't put my thumb on my reel. Well, you gotta look at the bright side. At least my reel is red, so it matches, you know? Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Fished for about an hour or so. Caught a few fish. Definitely wasn't the best night of fishing, but it was still a pretty good night. Got quite a few blow-ups on that spook, which is pretty nice. It's kind of tough because this pond has a lot of seaweed in there, so it'd be better probably if I had a topwater frog, but still pretty fun. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to smash the like button. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more. I upload quite a few times a week. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, see you guys next time.